You know what's back in here with an unboxing for y'all. This one is my fourth unboxing. This is part 4. I'm gonna say a 5-part segment I'm gonna do today. Let me know what y'all think about this. I already know what this is. This is some shirts that I caught from Journeys. Keep y'all guessing. Let's just get right into it. Tell me what y'all think it is. It's something different. All right. I need to find my knife. I don't know what I did with I had this camel knife that I did on my first few videos. I don't know what I did with it. Damn. Alright, there we go. So, first item in the box. First item in the box is this. I don't know if this is going to sell out. I just kind of thought it was cool. There's a matching shirt that go with it. Matching shoes that go with it. I might catch those later down the road. Hopefully they stay affordable. Drop in price so I can cop them all. This is Adidas. One of the Adidas shirt colors that came with the release for the, I don't know what they're called. They're HU Holi tee. I don't really know what those shoes are called. They're kind of like human races, but they don't have the little side thing, and it's kind of like a sock material shoe. If I remember my mistake, I never owned them, but they're like little human races. I don't know. Maybe they are human races. I don't know, but they're not like the ones that we all know that sell at resale for super high. This shirt is a red shirt. It's a normal Adidas with tennis soccer shirt. This is a large one by Pharrell Williams. It's just called the HU Holi tee. This is the red colorway. I thought this was pretty dope. I might do a video where I color match it. Maybe rock it with the shoes. Maybe later down the road I could rock it with the shoes and see how that go. If it's too much, shouldn't be too much. But yeah, it's just like it got like a tie-dye feel for it. It's the red shirt. It's pretty dope. It has the Adidas logo on it. The 3 stripes like normal, like always. This is a large. Like I said earlier, this is the large one. Just normal tags, nothing special on these tags, I don't think. That's cool. There's nothing special on them. It has an HU in the back. I don't know if the camera's picked that up. I might mess around and get some lights for these videos. Like a little pyramid. I think that might actually be on the shoes as well. Let me see. Get this computer back up. Alright. Yep, it's the HU pyramid on the back. I'll just show you the other shirts that I got. A little tag right here. So, just one logo. 3 stripes on both arms. Nothing big. Came with a coupon. It's pretty cool. Turn labels. The blue one. It's the blue colorway. Has that same tie-dye feel. I'm not gonna open them up right now. Y'all get the gist of them. Unless y'all want me to, get in the comment box, let me know. Let me know if this is something that y'all want me to continue doing clothing unboxings. Because sometimes I'm not sure if this is even something this is what y'all want. Yeah, I think it's just better if I come with the shoes already unboxed and provide y'all details on them. To give y'all really good research details. Here go the green one. Same thing going on. If I can get a feel for the color. I think all these are. I think they're supposed to be color matched with the shoes perfectly, but I don't think they are, because I think the blues are quite different, and this is a yellow colorway. All right. I do want to eventually get the shoes. I think they're exactly 4 shoes as well, and I'm gonna get those later down the road. I might do do a outfit, do a little outfit for y'all to put it together and see how they look, see what pants I will rock with them, what will go best with them. Just let me know if that's something that y'all interested in. If it is, let me know. I can get that. I can do that, at least that for y'all. There's nothing else in the box other than a little air bubble thing. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about this. Like the comment. All the people that like the video, like, unlike, dislike, whatever y'all want to do, like, let me know how y'all feel about the product. Like the video, tell me how y'all feel about the product. Comment, share, refer to a friend. Let's build this Dino Weston film up so I can keep on bringing this content to you, so I'm able to go out, have a better idea what y'all looking for, and show y'all what I can show y'all what I'm copying. All right, like I said, like, comment, share. Like, comment, share, refer to a friend. Let's build this channel up. Let's get more eyes on this channel. Let's get some more involvement. I'm at my early stages, so everything that y'all put toward me, I'm trying to build upon. All right, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Stay on top of my content that I'm gonna have for y'all every day. This is the 4th part of my video. I might have a video right after this. I got another pickup for y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna do a 5th part. And like I said, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you already know what it is. Peace. Wes. I'm out. Gone.